Bird.
Nice limbo.
All right, give me it.
It's still like
Dog! Busy! Stick! Pull! Nika! Niche! Alexis! Dog! Busy!
I was thinking of tonic, you know, no shitty half-aways, you know. The medium away cut. You can just get consistent, so I just able to throw that to. Can I get somebody else on the sideline?
yeah. Let's go, Birds.
I thought Esco was going to pick you.
All I knew was that I was back.
Maybe I wasn't, you know, I was like, oh, let's get Esco on.
I was pretty eager. Like,
You're never gonna-
I got one. Which is fine. That was very cool.
You always already got it, too.
I've always had
Yeah, I like it. I've got it kind of down.
It's still fine. But then to be ready to come back home. Yeah, that's not good. Because I think he's doing that space.
Let's go, Stitch!
That's one of those points where I come off and like,
Oh!
I threw one throw.
Dylan, he's so deep on you.
Go, 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 go!
Still a coach, still a coach. Get Dylan, get Dylan.
Ah!
Go
Get
Dylan, Rob.
Dylan!
That's all. Get it back now. Oh, no.
No under!
Aaron.
Jack! Kingo! Let's get it, Bird!
You know, I could came in, but I didn't. Yeah, I was under, so I was like, we're gonna go deep. And then I was like, okay.
The first one. And I was just like, what?
It's almost never wrong. Yeah, I was, you know, testing out Rock a little bit. Just offer it up. Rock wants to
man,
sit
so
next
many
to
just like 20-minute points.
But you got
And
that.
10-7. I didn't even get it.
He's off. So I'm just over here like.
Hail Mary. Hail Brian.
Yeah, no, what's that?
Yes.
Let's go, Katie!
Go, Grease Hog.
Going.
Tyler! Nice, Matt! Yes, Matt!
Hey, set it down!
Tyler, hot!
Yes, it's you!
Oh!
Yes!
Nice on Chili on. Hey, go Tati. Katie, go Pocky. Nice Pocky. Chili Pocky.
Come on, Maggie.
Got time, Tati. Got time. Come on, Tati. Nice, Jack. Hey, Chili Jack. Hey, someone cut. Nice on it. Chili on us. Stop. Nice, Chili. Stay with him. Go around. Good. Coming in, Tyler. Hot, Tyler. Burn. Good, Jack. Yes!
Let's get it first. We got it.
Give him your gloves, Paul. Give him your gloves.
Here we go, Brad.
I'm not wearing a super glove.
Yeah, look at it.
Nice, Maggie.
Yeah, Jack.
You got Matt.
Clear. Same.
Who's there?
Up! Yes!
Up! Hey, drink my tonic.
Ori! Brandon! Limbo! Leno! Maddie! Robin! Stratus! Get it, Bird!
Hey, Maddie, cheer me up.
You sound cool. Sorry, y'all.
Somewhere around there. Is that north? It's north. Do you know where Fallbrook is? Temecula? Wine country.
Further north.
Like maybe like 30 minutes south.
Here.
Oh yeah. I'm North Shore.
Good be line. From right here.
Let's go, Bird!
Hey!
Bella, let us read. Inside.
That's traveling.
Hot, Charlie, hot.
How do you know?
No, I thought
Who is this woman?
Oh my God.
Say her name.
Stitch!
Oh.
Fizzy! Dom! Eska! Niche! Alexis!
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Okay, let's get
Get it, Dom.
Let's go. Double France. Got him. Sucker. Hey, don't forget that, okay? You killed it.
I'm boxing Adam out.
I really like Ray's
We were told it's men. I've been lied to, Mike.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
Just looks to them.
Let's go,
Keep those hands clean. You get on the handball. I had my best game ever. I'm keeping the mark.
I did it on Bella.
You guys are all lucky I'm on your team.
I went on mine. Paradise.
Yeah.
It's like all with the fucking spirit. Let's go, Birds! Yeah, Paul! I love it, Paul! I love you, Paul! Give it, Paul! Yes! Yes, hard mark! Hard mark, Paul! Paul!
Up!
Yes, Cash! John Hart! John Hart! Sit, John!
Get the rest there, get the rest there. On the mark, on the mark.
Hard mark!
Yeah, Brock.
Inside. No line.
No line.
Hey,
no run!
I'm broken.
I've been broken.
Adam, come on.
Catch. Keep up.
Oh!
Yeah,
Yes! Good pressure,
Hey, sideline!
Bird!
Good pressure! Sideline! Paul, way too deep.
Dude, I see, like, the Discord names, it doesn't.
You got it, Dylan.
Esca, that means you.
Yeah, I got me in the little Lego land car. Easy to find.
John back.
Yeah, Paul, help. Yes! I do see that.
And I feel like I did it.
Come on.
Hey.
Catch.
Upcoming stop. Get Brock.
Go, guys! Left.
Mommy!
Yes!
What's up, Ray?
Go! That was so good.
Let's go. Hey, we're back in it.
How many books can I fucking read, huh? Let's go!
I think I saw a little bit of it. Yeah, and I was like, watch.
Just this, baby.
Hey, job!
That's very intense.
Buddy, I would be proud.
Thank you. We're in it.
Rango!
Nika!
Anna! Santi! Jack! Chango! Brandon! Let's get a bird. Woo!
My what? My push pass? It's crazy. I didn't even like my own throw there, but fuck it.
Oh, your little dish shot?
It's like a push pass.
No, that was
Let's get it, bird!
Really? Oh boy, who can't throw? Can throw. That was for you, Pike. That was for you, yeah. You manifested. Way to be intense, Thomas. Come on, baby. Go.
When you got too bad.
Yeah. Here we go, birds. Come on.
Well, I think part of it was on me because I tried to get back up. I did a little limbo with it.
Yeah, there were games going. I don't even remember. I forget the date.
Let's get a bird, just follow the place.
I know, I didn't know what to do.
I don't really love doing flat markup with.
Let Brandon get
But then it worked.
It's fine. It's predominantly no big. It's predominantly.
Goose is close! Up! Hey, you're good, Goose. Here we go, birds!
Yep, Anna.
Si Santi.
Jack.
Nice, Santi. That was a fucking rip, Santi! Time out, Paul. Water! Robin's on it. Let's go, Robin. That was a perfect wind read on that hug. Saw you here. You gotta do something. Nah, you're always doing something.
It literally felt like it was like this little slot that it just like went perfectly through.
I got it.
don't know. Oh, it's the logo of the literary magazine that I worked at. I got it matching with some of my like other editors. It was fun. It was like one day when we were meeting, I was like, oh, I got like matching tattoos, and I was like, I'm only like 75% kidding, and then it became less. That's my favorite one.
Adam, what time did you get here this morning?
Adam's dead.
No! Yeah, I never
Hey, White. Hey, if we score here, we'll still win this fucking game. Let's celebrate with our teammates. Come on. Let's go this way. We're gonna pop back close if we score.
I don't want to be
We didn't score.
I don't want to be here when he does that.
I want to know what
It's okay, I'll hide it from you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
It's respectful popping
Yeah,
close.
only for those who want
It's
to be
tasteful.
present.
Yeah. It's elegant. Elegant. Like it could be painted. You know? Yeah, it could be. What? It's 11-9.
No, literally. I don't know what we did to deserve it, but
We haven't seen
I wish they like.
I'll show her in the sun.
I think if we had that in mind, I maybe would have done something about it. Crazy last night.
Presents on the Tuesday to Friday.
Let's go, Flag.
Score on 3. 1, 2, 3. Score!
That high. Oh, I thought it was Hey, let's go sideline. Let's be up. Let's be up. Big plays here. That was actually really good. What? Our play. Okay, crazy. Let's fucking see what happens. I don't know. I might just.
Yeah.
I feel pain.
Sorry, Yeah, we come up on that under, but I'll stop bringing yellow. It was a good cut. That's all I wanted to say.
You know what? I seen what I had before I bought this. I got this overnight shift last night because I was like, Maddie gave me the uniform like it's ready for last night. And she was like, we could braid your hair. All the other things you could do with the players too. And they take Ari, it's you. Go choose that! Yeah, Junica. Get that! Line break. Yep. Yeah, Junica. Hey, go big, Ari! Go through, Bella! Watch, Steve, bucket! Back on D, tight!
That soft?
Yeah.
Finish the point, add one to your
It's either 12 or 3.
That's out. You got stopped.
Look at Kuna! Or Mike! Tie limbo, come on! Stay with Mike. Up! Down the board! Turn! Yeah. You know the score?
11-10, I heard, but I don't know if that's accurate.
11 what else?
Daddy!
Sorry.
So the next one could be...
Got Dom, look at Dom! Nice, Nico, Chili!
Chili, you good. Hey, keep it down here, Birds!
Let's go, Flag! Right here, you got it!
Tight! Repeat set. No free unders.
Alright. Let's go, Stack!
Come on, Ashley, use your speed.
Yeah.
Oh! That's you! That's on you! Yeah!
Oh my God, that's an atrocious call. Holy shit.
Hey, I'm talking.
Ready?
Here we go, Flag!
I thought the other day. That's why I was like, it might not be
Up!
Don't run!
Kuna!
Stop high! Up!
Come on, Flag, let's go!
Let's go.
Great fucking work out there, Lion. Shit, sick. Beautiful cam, guys. Beautiful cam. Great. That was so clean.
Let's go, Bird. Let's go, buddy.
I was like, no one.
The reason I called that, just so you know, because I was so happy.
Yeah, it's got to be.
Yes, Paul. Looking. Hey, no run.
Intensity. You know,
Intensity. I'm like,
high energy. Is that game? Yeah.
Let's go out there in the circle stitch.